In this video, we're going to show you how to embed media files into an Obsidian note. Media files can make your notes more informative, engaging, and useful. Whether you're working with images, audio recordings, videos, PDFs, diagrams, screenshots, or other types of files, embedding media directly into your notes allows you to keep related information together in one place. Many users rely on Obsidian not only for text-based notes, but also for organizing research materials, project assets, study resources, and creative content. Embedding media can help create a richer and more interactive knowledge management system. However, without proper embedding, media files may remain scattered across folders, requiring you to switch between multiple applications to access important resources. The good news is that Obsidian makes it easy to embed a variety of media files directly into your notes. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to embed media files into an Obsidian note and organize your content more effectively. So let's get started. The first step is to add your media files to your Obsidian vault. You can drag and drop files directly into your vault folders or place them in a dedicated attachments folder. Next, open the note where you want the media file to appear. Position your cursor at the location where you'd like to embed the file. Now, use Obsidian's embed syntax to insert the media file into the note. When you drag a supported file into a note, Obsidian can automatically create the necessary embed link for you. Once inserted, the media file will appear directly within the note rather than a simple text link. For images, you'll be able to view the image without leaving the note. For audio and video files, Obsidian can display playback controls that allow you to access the content directly. PDF files can also be embedded, making it easier to reference documents while reviewing your notes. Next, review the embedded content to ensure it displays correctly. You can adjust the placement of media within the note to improve readability and organization. As your vault grows, consider storing attachments in dedicated folders to keep media files organized and easier to manage. You can also use links, tags, and properties to connect media-rich notes with related projects, research materials, or reference documents. This helps create a more connected and efficient knowledge management system. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, add media files to your Obsidian vault. Second, embed the files directly into your notes. And third, organize your media using folders, links, tags, and related notes. Remember that embedding media can make your notes more useful by keeping important resources directly alongside your written content. Instead of searching through folders and external applications, you can access everything from a single note. This is especially useful for students, researchers, content creators, professionals, and anyone working with multimedia information. Taking a few moments to organize and embed your media files can create a more effective and enjoyable note-taking experience. And that's how to embed media files into an Obsidian note. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.